Here we are. Well, there's Ray. Just had a knock. Don't know if he's got it. Have you got it? I've had 2 tings. That, for you don't know, is whitings. And it's junky. Ray's laughing because I said that. It's true though, isn't it? Some people don't know what a ting is. It's a nuisance fish, but at least you won't blank him. I've had 2. See if Ray's got one now. Do you reckon, Ray?
I think so.
No. It's gone. The ting's gone. Even the tings don't want Ray's bait. Not like that. I'm not having that. Anyway, let you know if catching him after Ireland. Well, we're still here. It's not a bad day now. The sun's come out. Would you believe it? And it kept pouring down rain. 3 tings. Not a video. Ray's had a couple of knocks. Nothing transpired though. You can get him in close to him. I like his bait. But, yeah, so just nothing on the pulley rig. I've had it out 3 times, nothing on that. I'll try and get it rebait in a minute. Yeah, so it's not a bad day really. The sun's come out, like I said, cleared over there, miserable over there, but that's not coming this way for some reason, even though the wind's blowing this way. So there you go. That's the restaurant there, Chunky. Hey, you could even come and have a fish and then clean yourself up, couldn't you? And then go for a meal in there. There you go. Not a bad day really. Bit windy again. Should have come yesterday. It was lovely yesterday. Anyway, get back to you and catch anything decent. He's right, yeah, he's got a ting and some seaweed. Hey. Well done, Ray. He hasn't blanked.
No.
He's got a ting. I've had 4 tings. Ray's had 1. There you go. Took a turn for the worse now as well. It's got a bit more yacky, as you can see. Tide's turned now, I think. There he goes. Back he goes. Hey, biting. There's Chunky there. Am I going in there for a meal? You up, Ray? You up? Alright. There's Ray's set up there, look. 2-up flapper. One with a bit of bling on, and one without.
It was the one without that scored this one.
Anyway, yeah, carry on. So, 4 tings to me, 1 to Ray. Carry on. It's just started spitting a little bit, but a bit of rain doesn't bother us. There you go. Tight line. See you later, lads. Well, I had a nice day with Ray fishing on the Mersey at Chunku. So yeah, we didn't catch much. 4 whiting to me, 1 whiting to Ray. But it's not all about catching. It's all about going fishing with your mates and having a banter. So Pete Fish Rigs and Tips shining off. We had a good day. If you liked the video that I just posted, please like, cheers, thanks, and subscribe. TTFN. Alright, Pete Fish Rigs and Tips here. We were going to go to New Brighton, but we decided to go into the Liverpool side, and we're by Chunku there again. Look, here we are. There's Ray, the old booker. Alright, Ray, fishing guru. He's got 2 rods still setting up, but that's his setup there. It's got a nice little brolly setup there, all there. He doesn't like the cold, Ray. He's getting on now. He is 125. You wouldn't think he would, you? There you go. 130, sorry, my mistake. Anyway, this is my setup as well. Got 2 Tip Tornado super matches. On the right one, I've got the 2-up flapper with lug on. On the left one, I've got squid mackerel wrap on a pulley, 4-0 panel. Ambrose mustard, as you can see. Hey, a bit less, just a rucksack. That's half empty. Some squid mackerel. Got squid mackerel, fresh lug from D-side tackle, brilliant lug. It's not my lug by the way, but somebody else's, but yeah, it's good lug anyway. So, yeah, so it is a bit windy, you know. Yesterday yesterday was an amazing day. I was in Llandudno yesterday. Got attacked by a seagull, nicked my ice cream. Was absolutely fuming. In the middle of the road, trying to kick the seagulls. My missus was laughing her head off. Anyway, that's enough of that. So yeah, so here we are, Chunku. It's nice and easy fishing. There's the car park there. Walk through there, walk around, and you're fishing. Easy. Anybody who wants easy fishing, you can't walk far. This is the perfect place. Just park in the Chunku car park and yeah, walk around and you're fishing. So there you go. Let's see if we catch anything. If we do, we do. We don't, we don't. Anyway, I'll get back to you if we do. Both of mine are out, so anyway, just waiting now. Yeah, so anyway, if you do like the video, please like and share it. Yeah, cheers. Tight lines. Get back to you if we catch any. See you later. Ta-ra.